Yeah, buddy.
They hot.
Yeah, they hot.
Hey YouTube, Richard Scott here. Today is Saturday, April 4th of 2020, and I'm doing 2 hive removals in West Alabama, one in Marengo County, one in Sumter County, and fortunately the owners decided not to spray the bees, poison the bees, and we're giving the bees an opportunity to survive and thrive rather than be killed, so that's always a good thing. And you know, obviously we're in the middle of this whole coronavirus thing with the social distancing, and it's interesting, you know, when you're covered in honeybees, people tend to want to stay away from you. I guess that's the best way to social distance, is go mess with the honeybees, and it seems like everybody wants to stay far, far away.
All right, here's the bees. They are going in the wall of this old structure in the woods, and the owner said we can take a skill saw to it. So we're just gonna cut the wall out, show you where they're going in. Now, are you the one that wrote on the wall?
Absolutely.
You wrote on that wall.
I wrote on that wall.
How about that? That's pretty cool there. $15 a quart's pretty good, right?
I think that is.
Yeah, somebody's brave enough to open this wall up and get the honey out. I guess they're welcome to it. I can smell it. I smell it from
right there.
I can smell it from right here. You see where the bees are going in. So we're going to take a skill saw, and they'll go up to the ceiling plate somewhere up here. There's your tops of your windows, so I think it's going to be about right up in there. So I'd be willing to bet this is at least 6 foot tall. Now the bees are going in close to ground level. Actually, they go all the way down to that hole. How about that?
You sure hear them, can't you?
Oh yeah, hear that hum. Is that how you found them, the hum?
Yeah, that's how I found it. I thought it was power. I was like, man, there's no way there's power to this whole building.
You hear that hum? It does sound like it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Going in right there. Hear them fanning. They seem pretty gentle so far.
Really?
Yeah. Here's the dole. There you go, just pull that thing back if you can. They real calm. Alright, dude, let me see that. Yeah, buddy. They hot. Yeah, they hot. Got a part of the colony exposed, and they're fairly aggressive. They're not the most aggressive I've ever seen, but if you look, see if I can find it. There's some queen cells in here. Yeah, like right here. If I can find it. There you are. Look at that capped off queen cell. Now I can use that to actually do splits on this colony. They haven't swarmed yet, but they are about to. There's another capped queen cell right. See if I can find it. There you are, right there. So we got some capped queen cells in here. So they haven't swarmed yet, obviously, with population. But I can do some splits using those capped queen cells, so they'll produce a new queen, and that'll work really nice. So, all right, I'm gonna dispose the rest of the hive. Never know, sometimes queen might be on the back. Pretty long hive.
Yeah, it is.
Just grab some of this stuff right here, Dad. That's a big hive. Grab it real quick. Here they are so far. Big colony, but look at these queen cells. That one there, there's one open up to see there, but look at that one. Those are capped queen cells. That's baby queens getting ready to hatch out. Now what we'll do, since there's a lot of bees, obviously a lot of airborne right now, but we will do splits off this hive because it's early April and you can do that. So we'll actually make multiple colonies with this one. There's a lot of brood, a lot of capped brood inside there. You can see right there. That's all baby bees inside there. All right. All right, there's the whole colony. It is exposed. It's probably about 6.5 foot tall. Had to guess. Daddy, stand by it. Let you stand by it so I can get a measurement. That's my dad. Hey. So you see, it goes about waist high. That's how much taller it is than he is. So I'd say it's probably a good 6 foot, maybe 6.5. And they've been here a while. They're all between 2 studs, which is nice, so they're all contained. All right, I'm gonna put one more in there. But what I'm doing, I'm cutting this comb. I'm cutting what we need, which is the resources like the baby bees, and there's some pollen and nectar. And I'm putting it in these frames so those bees will have these resources. These are baby bees. They're capped cells. They're called brood right there. And I know it's hard to see, but there's actually some eggs and larvae down in there where the bees will continue to grow.
I'll be darned.
But I put these frames into the box, the new hive box for these bees. And when I vacuum all these bees up, I'll return them to their colony. So it's basically like they don't have to start over. They just continue what they're doing. So they really do adjust well to this process.
Essentially just relocating.
Yeah, just relocating. And we want as many resources as we can, so that ensures their survival.
Absolutely.
All right, let me grab this so you see what it looks like. Unfortunately, it's all these little chopped pieces of comb. It would be nice if it was big, wide sheets, but you know, sometimes you get what you get.
That's right.
Let me grab one. Okay, there we go. Perfect. You're reading my mind.
I'll work for you.
Look at that. Now my dad here, he's the best helper. It's terrible when I have to do these by myself.
I could imagine.
But look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Transformation of the hive.
Perfect. All right. I'll cut just below this line.
Oh, okay.
Just below it, maybe about 1/2 inch. But see, I'm gonna get my queen cells now. So you got queen cells on here, so I can do splits on this hive when I take it back home.
I'll be darned.
And make multiple colonies. So that's the queen cell right there. That's capped off. There's one there. There's one there. And there's several more up this colony here. You can turn the thing off. I don't have a whole lot of space. You see that right there? That's a baby bee coming out right there. Look at that.
Darn.
That's a bee hatching right now.
Right there.
How cool is that? Bees just coming out of there. Huh.
Oh, be darned.
That is a baby. Amazing how calm these bees have gotten.
So you're not hurting the bees. You're just basically suckling them into the box.
Yeah, that's right. And my vacuum box I've got down there that's obviously homemade. It's especially designed to suck the bees into that box to where it doesn't harm them.
So the misconception that you're exterminating is not correct.
Yeah, this is not extermination. This is saving the bees.
Absolutely.
Because that's what we need. We need to keep these bees around. Now I'm looking for the queen while I do this because I'd rather put the queen in my little cage here than suck her into the vacuum and chance her getting killed, which
right.
most likely she wouldn't, but you never know. But she's the most important. We got her. There she is. Got her long butt in there. See if she'll get into the camera. There she is. Look at that queen. Oh yeah. There she is. Woohoo! Just about finished up. She was behind that last little bitty piece of comb up there. And just gonna finish up now.